In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make R&B music in Suno AI step by step. First, head over to the Suno AI platform and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, go ahead and create an account first. Once you're inside, navigate to the music creation dashboard. This is where all the main song generation tools are located, and it's where you'll begin building your R&B track. Next, start a new song by clicking Create. At this point, Suno will usually give you the option to generate music from a simple prompt or use custom mode if you want more control. If you want a faster workflow, a simple prompt is fine. But if you want to shape the song more precisely, custom mode can help you fine-tune the result. Now it's time to define your R&B style. In the prompt box, describe the kind of R&B song you want Suno to make. Be as clear and specific as possible so the output matches your vision. For example, you might describe a smooth modern R&B track with soulful vocals, emotional lyrics, mellow piano, warm bass, atmospheric synths, and a romantic vibe. The more accurately you describe the mood and sound, the better the generated music will align with what you're going for. After that, customize the song details. This is where you guide the feel of the track even more. You can specify the mood, whether you want it to sound romantic, emotional, chill, or upbeat. You can also mention the tempo, such as slow, mid-tempo, or groove-based. Then add instruments you'd like to hear, like piano, electric guitar, bass, or synths. Finally, describe the vocal style, such as male or female vocals, or a more soulful or breathy delivery. If you want lyrics, you can either let Suno generate them automatically or write and paste your own. Using your own lyrics gives you more creative control, especially if you already have a theme or message in mind. Once everything is ready, click Create or Generate, and wait while Suno produces your song variations. When the tracks are ready, listen carefully to each version. Pay attention to the vibe, vocal delivery, arrangement, and how closely each one fits the R&B sound you wanted. If the result isn't quite right, refine it, adjust your prompt, change the mood, swap some instrumentation, and regenerate until the song feels right. Small wording changes can make a big difference. When you have a version you like, use the extend feature to add more verses, create a bridge, lengthen the outro, or build out a more complete song structure. Finally, save your favorite version, download the audio file, and use it for your personal projects while making sure to follow Suno's licensing terms. That's it. You now know how to make R&B music in Suno AI.